Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by readying both devices. This saves time. Pairing is the only way to get calling to work, so put the watch on and unlock it. On your phone, turn Bluetooth on and stay within 10 meters, then open the watch app and select pair. Once paired, grant permissions for contacts, microphone, and notifications. Those let you call and be heard. Make sure cellular is enabled on the watch if it has a SIM, otherwise rely on your phone's connection for calls. Once done with pairing, configure calling behavior so calls route correctly. On the watch app on your phone, choose calls and set the default audio to watch or phone. Choose watch to keep audio local. Sync contacts now so names show, and enable recent calls to view history on the watch. Set voice assistant permissions and add 3-5 quick dial contacts. That speeds hands-free calling. These steps ensure you can start a call from the watch, use voice commands, and get clear audio without fumbling for your phone. Now place a test call to verify everything works. You can tap a contact, use the dial pad, or say the wake phrase and speak the name. Press call and hold the watch near your mouth. If audio is faint, increase volume on the watch and phone and confirm Bluetooth or cellular icons are active. If the mic or pairing fails, restart both devices, reconnect Bluetooth, then test again. If problems persist, remove pairing in the app and pair as new. That usually clears stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.